Hi, I'm Greg McIntyre, and it's very good to see you here on the video blog, here for the Elder Law Report. My feature today is our eDocs access system. I'm extremely proud of this system. It's an online bank-level security system that allows you to store your documents. We upload them for you. It's a value that we offer to every client, and you can share your documents with any family member, whether they be next door or out of state or on the other side of the planet. And it doesn't send an email attachment. It doesn't send it across the open internet or airwaves. It prompts them to log on, create a username and password, and then they can see only the documents you make available. This works great for clients that I have out of state. You can access it on your iPhone or other mobile device. You can access it on your iPad or other tablet device. You can also use the eDocs access card that we place in your wallet that's laminated. It has your username, your name on there, and you can write in your password if you want, or you can keep that up here or separately in a different place. And this allows you, say you're traveling out of state and you and your wife have to, or you and your husband have to go to the hospital, and you want to access some healthcare power of attorney documents, living wills, something like that, heaven forbid. You could pull out this card. If you don't have your documents with you, go straight to the eDocs access web link here, put in your username and password, and pull those documents right there, up right there in the hospital or wherever you are. So it works really, really well. Just to show you a little bit about how we developed it, I have a bit of a tech background. I used to be a programmer in the Research Triangle Park area, a graphic designer, programmer, 3D modeler, and that was back in between 2000 and mid-2002, working for two separate companies, one 3D Village, which did 3D online walkable worlds using the Virtus Technology gaming engine, which was really cool stuff. We'd go model New York or Charleston or the Citadel or Chapel Hill, put those online for different vendors for different purposes. Had a really good time, and we'll show you a graphic there of some of that group, and got a lot of press. We modeled Area 51 before the U.S. admitted it existed, and then they came out and admitted that it existed later that year. The Air Force did, or the Department of Defense. So pretty cool work we did there. Then I became an attorney and try to bring technology to the client in a way that's usable, user-friendly, and really matters. And this is a way to bring technology to the client that really is cool, that I don't see many other firms out there doing anything like it. And it's something I think is light years in the future. Your documents are secure there for international security standards. That's how it's maintained. The same as you log on your online bank account. Let me show you a few things. So first, we're going to go to mcelderlaw.com. Okay, so you can log on straight from the website, and the actual card is going to show you a little bit quicker link to get straight there. But from the website, you can just click log in. It'll take you to our eDocs access page, which explains a little bit about it, and just log in for full document access. Okay, so it's going to bring you to a login screen. Now, when our office shares these documents with you, it's going to shoot you an email. Okay, it's going to prompt you to log on to create, and this is John Doe. I created an account, just kind of a sample account for John Doe client. It's going to send you a link. It's going to say, welcome to the system. It's going to ask for your phone number. I'm going to go ahead and put mine in. And password. Going to ask you if you agree. Create my user. Welcome to the Smart Vault system. So close that. And it's going to show you our McIntyre Elder Law eDocs access system. Here we see a deed. We've got a general durable power of attorney, a healthcare power of attorney, a last will and testament of John Doe, and a living will. So if I want to share these, I can do a couple of things right now. I could download that file. See, I just downloaded a deed, okay? Or I could email that file. So I can send an individual file link to someone, okay? I could copy the file to another destination, but the really cool feature is that I can select all these documents and I could send them a link to, say, the entire folder or individual documents. I could click send a link to folder, and I can send a personal message to other users. And I could put in, say, a son's email address, send it directly to them, and you're going to have a similar situation where that son is going to get an email saying you've been granted access to the eDocs access folder at McIntyre Law Firm or McIntyre Elder Law, and they're going to be able to click the link, put in a username and password, and see those documents in your access folder, in the McIntyre Elder Law access folder. So that's kind of in a nutshell how it works. We're very proud of it. We think it's just a phenomenal system. This is, again, the card that you receive as a client anytime you or you and your wife set up any documents with us, or we do any type of legal work for you. You can access them, and we maintain this free of charge as a value for the client, just as an extra added value for the client so that they can have that with them at all times. We'll continue to try to bring you cutting-edge tools, both technical tools and legal tools, to help you with your with protecting your property, your assets and legacy, which is what our mission is, and in giving you flexibility and mobility. So if you have any questions about eDocs Access, email me at greg@themcintyrelawfirm.com, or email me or call our office, 704-259-7040. Thank you very much for listening today, and I'll see you soon.